Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make rice on an Aroma Rice Cooker. First, gather your ingredients: rice, water, and your Aroma Rice Cooker. For perfect rice, measure 1 cup of rice for 2 servings. Rinse the rice under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch, ensuring fluffy results. Always use the measuring cup that came with your cooker for precise ratios. Now, let's add the ingredients. Place your rinsed rice into the inner pot of the Aroma Cooker. For white rice, a 1-to-1 ratio of rice to water works best. So, 1 cup of rice needs 1 cup of water. If you're cooking brown rice, use 1 1/4 cups of water for every cup of rice. Securely place the inner pot into the cooker. With the ingredients in, it's time to cook. Close the lid firmly until you hear it click into place. Select the correct cooking function for your rice type, whether it's white or brown. The Aroma Rice Cooker will automatically switch to the warm setting once the rice is perfectly cooked. Remember, do not open the lid during the cooking cycle. This traps steam for ideal results. Once the cooker switches to warm, let the rice rest for an additional 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the steam to redistribute, making the rice even fluffier. Gently fluff the rice with a paddle or fork before serving. Your perfectly cooked rice is now ready to enjoy. Remember to unplug the cooker when you are completely finished.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.